Huntington Beach Water Tower, originally built by the Santa Fe Tank and Pipe Company in 1892 to supply water for Pacific Railway steam engines. The tower at 1 Anderson Street, technically in Seal Beach, but claimed by Sunset Beach, was replaced in the 1940s with 75,000-gallon tank standing 90 feet tall. It was abandoned in the late 70s. In 1985, a successful Save Our Water Tower campaign ended with the new owners replacing the tank with a replica that enclosed a 2,800 square foot, 4-bedroom home, a wraparound deck, and panoramic views. It features an interior elevator, spiral staircases, and a top-floor rotunda. The Water Tower House is a historic 87-foot tall landmark, the second tallest residential home in the United States.